Hi, Deadlock's here again, and today I'm escaping TCH 860 with the extended hinge. Now, I've got this side double locked, this side I haven't bothered with because why not?
Because time and effort and things.
Yes, time and effort and things. Now these do look very intimidating when you see them, but that extended hinge is actually a weakness of it because it gives you more space to reach over to the key. It's actually really comfortable to get to that keyway, whereas on a standard set of hinged cuffs your hands are really close together and it's quite awkward.
Do they feel comfortable on?
These are actually quite comfortable. So today I'm using the Shackleman handcuff pick set, which is from Southern Specialties, which I've had for a little while now, and I find them shockingly good. Now this ball rake, which Mrs. D will quite happily call
a half a snowman. The bottom half of the snowman to be exact.
Yes, so that's a half snowman. To me, that is basically a key. Because there we go, double lock done, and out.
Ta-da.
And the Shackleman shim, which was designed by Coxie,
From Coxie's Picks. Oh, you aren't
shims everything so easily. I've shimmed handcuffs in ways that before was impossible before I got this. So this set I highly recommend.
Tell people where they could get it from.
I already did. Southern
How
Specialties.
much?
I have no idea.
Then Google.
Yes, if you want to know the price, Google it. That's all from us. It's not like I'm getting paid to promote it. I'm just saying because I genuinely like this.
Yeah, so you got a set to promote it. What's it called?
Southern Specialties. What, are we doing this right now?
Yeah.
Apparently you're getting all of the information. This is going to be a long video now.
It's not. It's $32.95.
$32.95.
$32.95. And it comes with 1, 2, 3.
It is just over $30.
Nice.
There we go.
9 picks.
Yeah, probably should have shown you what's in it. To be fair, I'll give you that. You
And
get
it
that
comes
shim.
with a case in either brown or black.
You have a thinner shim, some picks, including that one. All of that in a case. This is the brown one because I have a thing about brown leather. It is great. There you go. Mrs. D made this video weird. That's what we do. I escaped the thing. That's all from us. See you next time.
Bye.